People seldom see the halting and painful steps by which the most insignificant success is achieved. Hello, my name is Sullivan. I was born on April 14, 1866 to Thomas and Alice Sullivan. At the age of 5, I contracted an eye disease called trachoma. 3 years later, when I was 8, my mother died from tuberculosis. After her death, my brother and I were sent to live at Tewksbury Allen's house. In 1880, while visiting the Tewksbury Allen's house, Frank Sanborn, the State Inspector of Charities, was touched by my plea to go to school. He made arrangements for me to go to Perkins, a school for the blind. While there, I had a series of eye operations to improve my vision. In 1886, at the age of 20, I graduated from Perkins with honors. In 1887, I was sent to go work for the Kellers, who had a blind and deaf daughter. In our first year, we formed a bond of trust, and I taught Helen manners, the multiplication table, Braille, and more than 750 words, making me the first person to teach someone that was blind and deaf. I taught Helen by making her feel my hand and mouth movements. In 1888, I accompanied Helen and her mother to Boston, where we were treated like celebrities. In 1905, I married John Albert Macy. In 1919, to get more income, I played in the first film version of myself, which then became a failure. Helen and I ended up touring on the vaudeville theater circuit for money. Eventually, cataracts took the rest of my vision in the early 1930s. In 1932, John and I split up but never got divorced. In that same year, I received an honorary degree from Temple University in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. My life ended on October 20th, 1936, at the age of 80 from coronary thrombosis. I am buried in a national cathedral in Washington, D.C., next to Helen Keller. I am best remembered for teaching Helen Keller, who is blind and deaf. I am posthumously inducted into the American Printing House for the Blind Leaders and Legends of the Blindness Field Hall of Fame in 2006.